welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my July premium box. I'm so sorry if you hear noise. My son is in the room, he is playing, and I'm going to tell you guys throughout the whole video. You guys are going to see my nephews, my daughter, and my son come in and out of my room. They're talking to me. They were in here while I was recording, so they were talking to me and I just couldn't like not ignore them. So if you guys see that, I'm so sorry, but they were just in here and yeah. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get started with all the products. The card, it's the sunshine theme, and my box variation was 55. So the first thing that I got is the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palettes. This does retail for $20. I think it was a limited edition palette. I don't remember. I'm not like 100% sure, but I think so. I did not pick it up when it launched, but this is super cool that I received it in this box. Like, this is awesome. I do like the colors. I do like the neutral, the pink, the browns in here. I love the highlights. The highlights is blinding. I can say that. I did do a neutral eye because I wanted to do a red lip. I haven't done red lip in a while, since I think my Cinco de Mayo video. I haven't done anything bold, so I wanted to keep it super simple on the eyes, you know, like a neutral eye liner and a bold lip. So that's exactly what I did. So I just did a neutral look, neutral colors. I'll probably be doing another look with the other colors in this palette, but I just wanted to keep this one very simple. And the highlight in here, I used the highlight Apollo. This highlight is like blinding. I can see it on my cheeks, on my brow bone, on my inner corner. Like, it is a good highlight, you know? Inner corner highlight, just everything. I like this palette. I am like never ever disappointed with Morphe palettes. So super heavy. I got this palette. The next thing I got is this Broyer. I'm probably saying it wrong. This is the Bitten Green Essence Toner. I did not use this in today's video, but this does retail for $95, which like blows my mind a little bit because it's like $95 for a toner. This is what it looks like. It looks kind of like a jelly type of consistency. I don't know. I mean, it smells good. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of like different fruit extracts in it. It says, or 33 different green vegetable extracts in here. So I'm assuming it actually smells super good. I already have a toner open. I have lots of toners to get rid of actually this month, so this will probably be getting used maybe later on in the year, maybe even next year, just because, like I said, I do have a lot of toners to go through. So, but I probably won't be disappointed with this if it's $95. The next thing I got, which are the lips. This is the Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. These retail for $39.99 the set. I have the color Here to Slay, which is the one that I'm wearing right now, which is the red color, which is this one. And I like it. They're super creamy. They're bold. There's like nothing I can say bad about them, you know, they're like good. And the next one is Sunset Boulevard, which is the more pinkier, dusty, muted rose color, which is this one. And then I have the color Full House, which looks like this, which this one reminds me, it's just like a perfect purple color. It's this one that's right here. It's perfect for fall. Fall's coming up, so these are awesome. I liked those. Then I got this. This is the Laura Geller. This is the Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. This retails for $24. I actually ended up getting the blackberry and black one. So this is a kohl eyeliner. I did not forget that I had this, but I didn't know I had this. But I wanted to do a bold lip, so that's why I didn't use this today. But let me go ahead and swatch it for you. I actually do not feel how this is, but oh, that's such a pretty purple. It's right there. This is good for like to draw like a line, to do like liner, and then to kind of just like smoke it out. That's really pretty. I think that's what I'm gonna do with this. And the other line is a felt tip eyeliner, which is what I used today on my eyes for my eyeliner. This is super black. This is super bold. Actually, for it being like a really thick like felt tip liner, it's very movable. It's not too stiff, so that's actually really good. I did enjoy this. And then the next thing I got, this is the Kiana. I'm probably saying it wrong. It is, or I'm probably saying her first name wrong. This is the Kiana Antiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit. This retails for $42, and this is like a contour and highlight, no, contour and set palette. So it comes like with a little paper. It doesn't have a mirror though, which is kind of like sucks, but that's okay. So this is what the colors on the inside look like. I did use the set one, as you could see, to set under my eyes and kind of just set all over my face. I didn't use the mattify one because I kind of thought that it was going to give me like a white cast, so I didn't really bother to use that. But I did accidentally like dig the end of this in there, so that's my fault. I didn't use the highlight though because the highlight was like really pinky. It looked really pinky to me, like a rose gold pinky. Let me swatch it. And it looks like this. I swatched it right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. That's the highlight. And I used the contour shade, which is this one. As you guys can see, it's used, and then it has a darker contour and then a bronzer, but the bronzer has glitter in it. I don't really like bronzers or contour powders that have glitter in them, just because it'd be more matte on my face than glittery, except like the highlight. I don't know, that's just, it's weird, but I'll probably use it in this palette. The only thing I can say though, or I can mention though, they are super powdery, but they're very pigmented. So like there's a lot of fallout, but they are very pigmented because, I mean, I didn't need a lot of bronzer or contour shade to get my contour on. And you could kind of still see the K, but the K on the set is like almost completely like gone because I used a lot to kind of like set all over my face. So just be aware of that. But other than that, this palette is super good. And then the last thing that I got, this is the, I'm probably gonna say this wrong, this is the Sisio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. This retails for $18. Guys, this smells delicious. This actually reminds me of the milk and honey soap from Soft Soap, or what's it called, Dial, I think. Those two like hand soaps. I'll put pictures of them. That's exactly what this smells like. This exactly smells just like it. Like, it smells so good. I have used this already. That's like the only thing that I did use. That's why I know what it smells like. But this is exactly what it smells like. And the cuticle oil is amazing. Like, you can never go wrong and not have cuticle oil, especially something that smells this good. You can't go wrong. So I'm super happy I got a cuticle oil, like, you know. So the total value of my box was $238.99, which I think is not that bad for basically everything that I got, including a $95 toner. It's like crazy. Please don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to leave any comments for me down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. And let's just go ahead and get on to the demo, and I will see you guys all in my next video.